Morning guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome back to another video, I should say. So this morning I'm here with Chantal, aka Tal.
Hey.
As you guys know, Chantal has been here for a few months now. What, 3 months now?
Yeah.
3 months, yeah. So I'm currently going to work, Chantal going to school, because you know she has schoolers. But I just wanted to chat with Chantal this morning a little bit, just to give you guys a quick update. You know that when you move to somewhere for the first time, it's kind of interesting, it's kind of nostalgic, so you have all the good things to say. So the longer you're there, the more you start to see the bad side of that place, and also, you know, you might change your mind for some of the stuff that you have said in the beginning. So I just wanted to chat with Chantal just to get a quick update as to her transition, and also what is her interpretation of not only Grande Prairie but also Canada, being an international student. But so as you guys might have seen from previous video or not, I'll just give you a quick update. So Chantal is here as an international student with her husband, my friend, my day one, my dupes, my brother, here on a work permit. Chantal has a bachelor's in computer science,
Yeah.
and she is currently doing a diploma in business administration, because I don't know if you know of her or anything. So that's how she managed to get the study permit. She's here, she's going to school. My first question is, Chantal, what is that like? You know, having your bachelor's already and then having to start with a diploma and stuff like that. What was that like?
Having to go back to school,
Yeah.
after a little while.
Yeah.
Boy, I was out of practice. I must say the coursework, I'm doing 5 courses now. The coursework is so much. It's actually more than UTech.
Low-tech, by the way, Poppy in high school. Big up on yourself.
Yeah. Every week there's a test or a quiz or something. It keeps you on your feet.
Keeps you on your feet.
Yeah.
So when it just came in December, I spoke to you guys, and you guys had nothing but good things to say about Grande Prairie, right? Now that you're in school officially, like back in person, has anything changed? Like what do you think of Grande Prairie now?
Still in love with it. Yeah. I've gotten more accustomed to the weather. Definitely adapting. It's much better than the first day I got here. I take the bus sometimes to school and sometimes back home. And boy, the bus system here compared to Jamaica. I didn't even take the bus in Jamaica because I just didn't feel safe. But here, I love it. You can track the buses, always on time. Yeah, still in love.
It's pretty strange to hear somebody say that they love taking the bus, especially in this weather, right? But anyways, so going to school now, right?
Yeah.
What is that like? Have you met any friends? Have you met anyone from any other country? Or what is that like? Do you feel at home? Do you feel out of place? You know, as a black person, do you feel any racism, any difference towards anything as to anyone?
So when I just started, it was on Zoom, and now we're in person. I say making friends in person is much easier than on Zoom. I don't feel any racism or anything. I have international friends from India, Philippines, and I have Canadian friends here as well.
Yeah, so pretty much that is in line with what I'm always telling you guys, that listen, Canada is a very multicultural place, not just on paper but in practice, guys. When you're here, you're gonna meet people from all walks of life. I've met people from over different, like probably over 50 odd countries since I've been here, and I haven't been here that long, as you guys know, only 3 years. Well, that's probably long for many of you guys. But when you're here, you'll meet people from all walks of life. We're not even exaggerating. Different cultures, different food, different every single thing. Now the big question is, Chantal, I know the straight answer is gonna be yes, but I want to know, I'm gonna ask you a why to it, right? Do you regret no, I know the straight answer is gonna be no. Do you regret moving to Canada?
Definitely not.
Why?
There are so many opportunities here. jobs, even school, furthering my education. Back home in Jamaica, would have never done it. I was just over school. But coming to Canada, it forced me to do it out of my comfort zone. Even going into the working industry, not sure what route I'll take, if I'll go back in IT or business, but it's definitely pushing me out of my comfort zone.
Well, that's awesome. That's awesome. And for me, obviously, you know, me encourage every single smart way I want to do it. We just go and go do it.
Yeah.
Beg, borrow, thief, anything at all. I'd definitely suggest that because it's an investment into your future, guys. And you know what? You will not regret it. I'm not just saying that from my perspective, because I know that everyone's situation is different. And many of you guys, depending on where you go, you might have a hard time finding a job, finding an apartment, finding just a way around, right? But my suggestion to that would be choose to go somewhere that you think you can adapt to pretty well. And what I mean by that, don't just choose to go somewhere because the school fee is cheaper. Don't just choose to go somewhere because you have a cousin of a cousin of a cousin who live there, right? Look at the overall dynamics, look at the cost of living, look at the price, look at the bus system, every single thing, and then make a decision, right? As Chantal said, it pushes you out of your comfort zone because in Jamaica it's just go to work and go home. Routine. But here it's totally different. First thing first, it seems like there's more hours in the day when you're here because you get a lot more stuff done, right? So Chantal said she wanted 5 kids in Jamaica. So now, how many kids do you want in Canada?
I think probably 3.
So you want more kids in Jamaica and less kids in Canada. Why is that?
I think I started thinking about childbirth and the pain that I'll have to go through.
So you never think about that in Jamaica?
No.
Oh, I see. But anyways, guys, big like on this video, by the way, if you guys are proud of what Chantal is doing. Let me just tell you guys that I don't think I can manage 5 courses per semester. Yeah, I'm not that disciplined. She's been doing it and she's been killing it. So huge shout out to Chantal. And you know what, guys, exams is coming up. So we just want to say, yo, do your best, and you know what, it's really easy for pass. Right, that's so not even a joke. Well, now give me this. Yeah, it really easy for pass. Just keep focused, and you know what is most important, make friends, because the friends that you meet here, they're gonna be almost like lifetime networks. I've had classmates here when I was in college who are in different positions in Grande, Prairie and in Alberta in general, that you can call and say, yo, what going, kind of thing. That's how it works, networking. Your classmates are not just your classmates, but your classmates are really your future network. Big up that, by the way, guys. Advice 101. Big up on yourself. Anyways, have a good day. Chantal's at school.
Bye.
Late for work another morning, guys, but I know the drill go. Then, well, I'm already officially resigned still, so I can do more. Yeah, look at more Chantal. So I can do whatever I want to do, but I'm just trying to keep it professional. Still, you know the thing, guys. Look at more. Yeah. So that was Chantal, guys. Of course, as I said, she is the wife of my friend. She looks very young, but guys, I'm telling you, she's much older than she looks. I guess it's a thing because my friend is the same and my wife is the same. Because you guys, many of you guys will never believe how old Nats really is. Just because our physique kind of thing, you understand? But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have been here so far and you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to this channel, sharing the video, leaving a comment, leaving a like. It really helps me out. See you guys in the next video. Bye.